Usually, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a Estee Lauder gift set that I have ordered from Macy's. So if you are looking for a good gift set, then definitely this review will help you. So in Macy's, they have like a huge discount on Estee Lauder gift set right now, so you can definitely check there. So let's open it and see how it looks. So this is the gift set. They delivered it in really nice package, but I already threw the outside package and outside. So let's open it and see how it looks. So this is the gift set. You definitely see it everywhere. This is the gift set in this red box. Yeah, I'm like really excited about this gift set. So let's open it and see how it looks. I think it will cost you around like this one is like $75, but now I think right now they in Macy's they have like a really huge discount, so definitely you can get in a really great price. So you will qualify for this gift set when you will like buy some Estee Lauder product, then any Estee Lauder product, then definitely you can qualify for this gift set. I got also some samples, like some sample perfumes. Oh wow, really great. These are like really great. And also I received this tiny set of like Estee Lauder universal primer and mini travel size mascara and perfectly clean purifying mask. So let's open it and see how it looks. Yeah, it looks like really nice. So here is the box. Let's open it. Oh wow. Wow, look at the box. It looks like really nice. This is gorgeous. Wow, it looks like really gorgeous. And this is this handle. Previously also, like last year on previous year also, I have something like this gift set, like the big case, but this one looks like really pretty. This case is like that one is like kind of like a leather kind of material, but this one is like the suede and velvet kind of material, which I really like. And yeah, like Estee Lauder, and it feels really nice. And the gorgeous red color. Wow, it looks nice. Wow. So this is the gift set. Oh, wow. And it comes with this one, and the reason I choose this one because of this serum and this cream, the resilience. This one is resilience, and they have another set which has like everything is same, but instead of resilience, that one is like supreme. But I choose this one because I like this cream, and also I like the serum and also the eye cream. These are three like my favorite. And yeah, and the mascara and the lip gloss, everything looks nice. So let's see. So let's look at the palette. Palette is like really pretty, and these are the colors. So pretty. Yeah, I love these colors. And yeah, I love their eyeshadows. I like Estee Lauder eyeshadows. I really love them. So this is a smaller one. Yeah, all are like same size, similar size. So let me see this palette. So this one has also some shimmery and some are matte. I think some are matte and some are shimmery. Yeah. So these are the colors. So it's like almost 20 eyeshadow colors, you can see. Yeah, so pretty. All these colors are like really nice and pretty, like gorgeous. I have some other eyeshadows of Estee Lauder, but these packaging is like really nice. You can see this is beautiful. So these are the colors, you can see. This one is the palette for face. Yeah, so pretty nice. And so on pink bronze goddess medium. I like the bronze goddess. I'm using this highlighter and I really like it. And this is the serum, Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. You will definitely like it. It's one of my favorite serum. And this one is the Advanced Night Repair cream. This one is also really good. I like the eye cream. And the Supreme Good Resilience Multi-Effect SPF 15 Day Cream. Like really decent size, which is like everything is like full size, nothing is like a travel size. And I got like 2 full size lipstick. Oh wow, the mirror lipstick has a little mirror. This is good. And so one is like Envious and one is Knockout Nude. So both are like really cute. So this one is like a really dark red. Yeah, this is the Envious, which is like a really deep red. And this one is this is Envious, and this one is Knockout Nude. This one is like one of my favorite color, like a really nice nude. So this is the Knockout Nude, a good color. And makeup remover, the full size. And the mascara, which is this one is also full size. So yeah, everything is like really nice. And I got two lip gloss. Wow, look at the packaging, it looks so nice. So this one is like the red for, oh wow, so pigmented. This one, the nude one. I like the nude one. The red is like really dark. Yeah, pretty much good. Yeah, this is, I love this like gift set. It's like really value for money. If you want to buy a really nice gift set, definitely you can try this one. You can say this gift set, like really like, I really like this gift set. Like I don't have any complaint about this one. Like yeah, it's like really good value for money. So if you want to buy this gift set, definitely you can check in Macy's, and also in Estée Lauder site is also it's available. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.